Hi everybody, now that you've downloaded your world and opened it up, you should now be looking at the big circ sign here. And so once you're in, there's a bulletin board right up front right here. It kind of gives you a quick instructions on what to do. So think about like what summer fun activity you wish you would be doing right now. And so that's what you're going to be basically designing. And so just to show you for those people who are not familiar, if you're familiar with Minecraft, you don't even have to watch this video. You're good to go. Everybody else, just you can pick a random spot. You can start right here. You can walk anywhere, basically in infinite direction. What you're going to need is to start building some code blocks. So you need to put some things in your inventory by pressing the letter E on your keyboard. When you press the letter E on your keyboard, it brings up pretty much every single block that you can use in Minecraft. Everything's fair game, so there's really nothing off limits. You can put whatever you want. If you want to build a big giant house, build a swimming pool, build a soccer field, use any block, and just get creative with it. And that's what you can focus on. So if you want some colored blocks here, I'm just going to grab maybe some black wool and chiseled quartz block. I don't know. And I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to grab a couple random things. Maybe oak leaves would be fun to have, and why not throw a watermelon? You can get whatever you want in there. Just put it into your inventory. When I close out, now I have my 4 items in the inventory. And if I press the number 1 key, I have my black wool. Press number 2, quartz. 3 is those oak leaves, and 4 is the melon. And so in order to use them, you just need your mouse and your right and left mouse button. So by walking around, if I click the left mouse button, just a regular mouse click, I'm going to destroy kind of everything. Now this is a little bit different than regular Minecraft where you can't just go mining. If you actually destroy down too far, there is empty space down there and you'll end up floating in nothingness. So don't dig too far down. But then if you right click, that's how you can lay down your block. And so you can stack block up, you can build off of the block, and you can start building whatever kind of creation you want. And there you go. And if I want the white quartz, I can press the number 2 button. And I can put the quartz in, and I can build on it. I am building absolutely nothing. It's really, really weird. Number 3, I'm going to throw the oak leaves in there just for fun. Maybe I could like to climb trees. And then, I don't know, I'm going to throw a melon. Actually, I'm just going to eat the melon because I'm really hungry. Okay, so that's basically what you do. You press the E button anytime. You can grab any piece from your inventory to use as best you can and build your creation of what you want to be doing right now. So enjoy.